Hi everyone, welcome back. I've not took a video a while in here in Alanya yet. I mean, well, I have took a video, but it's just been a few days. I've not made a video in a while. So yeah, sorry, this video's my arm is not long enough right now. Put it out a bit. Yeah, that's a little bit actually. But yeah, this is our last day sadly on the beach. We have a flight first thing tomorrow. So yeah, we're trying to catch some sunshine. Yesterday was so rainy, and it was so rainy. We went to the shopping centre. We walked to it, and we were soaked, absolutely soaked in the rain, getting up there. But it's just literally just been such a nice holiday. There, even getting soaked just been funny. We've just had so much fun, and it's just been so nice for Luke's birthday to do this, have a nice relaxing holiday. We just ate, we drank, we've had some of the best food, like the chefs in Turkey, some of the best chefs ever in the restaurant. We've just had so much fun, and today's nice sunny day makes up for yesterday. Thank God it's sunny again. But yeah, this is literally one of our last beach days. We're just gonna get drunk and enjoy ourselves, and just go wild on our last day, last full day here. And yeah, it's a little bit colder today. At the beginning of the holiday it was a bit more warmer, but yeah, look, wearing a jumper. Well, I'm always cold anyway, but other people are wearing t-shirts and bikinis. I'm just literally wearing a jumper and a jacket on top of this, my summer dress. But hopefully I might get my bikini soon though. I'll just brave the cold. Don't know why I'm always cold. But yeah, this is our last day sadly, but we've had such a nice holiday. It's one of our, favourite holidays, and it's just been beautiful, amazing, and especially COVID, 2 years of COVID, it just stopped any beach holidays, and we're glad we just got this holiday. We're so grateful. It's just been so fun, and just nice to relax and forget everything and not worry about a routine. Just, it's just nice. What's nice about holidays, just having fun. And let me show you Luke lying down. He doesn't want to be filmed, but there he is.
Hi, sorry, let me cover my belly. Hold on. Hold on.
Luke got a bit of a fat joke at him
Hold on, let me cover it.
yesterday, remember that?
Oh, yeah, I remember very well.
People are so rude.
It's true, though. True.
Isn't that true? I just think, no, you can't win in this world. There's...
Hi.
Can you see yourself coming in?
Yeah, I can see it. Well, I'm a little bit cut in half, but it's all good.
We can't win in this world. I'm too thin. People moan at me for being too thin. Then, people moan at Luke.
No.
God, me and Luke can't win. We can't win. It's like, what's going on? But yeah, naughty people. What was the person? They're going up the hill, and then the person said, "You need it."
Oh, yeah. So I was on the way up the hill, up to the hotel, and then the person said to me, it looks like you need it, and for a while, okay.
Shade thrown, oh my God.
Calling me fat.
Promise we're not sensitive, but it is like you can't win with this world. This person's too thin, this person's too big, no one can win. You can't win, can you?
Oh no, but
I was like, wow.
Anyway.
No, I don't agree. Oh my God. At the end of the day, I just thought it was just so lame at the same time. Because I do think men get shade thrown more at them though, a little bit more. But yeah, because our hotel's on top of a hill and you're going up it, you're out of breath. Literally, I'm out of breath and I can't even, you know what I mean? I'm literally just completely out of breath going up it myself. So anyone's gonna be.
It's not built for people. All I'll say, it's not built for people with asthma. That's all I'll say.
Yeah, if you got asthma, don't go up that hill. Oh my God. But yeah, we've had such a fun holiday though. It's just been really fun. Nice to just enjoy yourself and just enjoy the sun and the beach. And it's just so natural here. There's just so much nature as well, alongside at the same time. But yeah, we've had fun. We had so much fun. It's just, oh God, it's gonna be sad going back as well. Oh no, back to the cold. I know it's been quite cold here because the rainy day yesterday. I have to admit, it does bring very much cold sort of autumn weather, doesn't it? So
it's different though,
Yeah.
It's different.
But yeah, it's just been so fun. It really has. But yeah, I'm gonna do another video when I get back to England of all the days and what we got up to here and what there is to explore and what you could see as well, what you want to get, whatever you want to get up to. My hand's getting tired. I better turn off this video in a bit. But yeah, we'll definitely do a video on that, what to explore in Alanya and what to get up to and what we got up to on all of our days here. We'll do a proper breakdown. But yeah, I better Yeah, anyway, my hand's getting tired. I will see you all soon. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Love you guys. See you all soon.
Bye.
Are you coming in?
No,
It's hard to tell because of the sun.
Yeah, no, it's me.
I think so.
Me.
See you. See you soon.